PX CS1-I is a portable compressor that you can take it everywhere. He runs on 120 to 220 volts AC and 12 volts DC. This compressor is a low maintenance and water cooling system free. His working maximum pressure is 320 bars. This compressor can fill at 0.5 liter from 200 to 300 bars in 7 minutes. This is what it comes in the box and the owner's manual with a few spare filters. His dimensions are 28 centimeters by 26 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And his weight is only 6 kilograms. To fill up your bottle or your air rifle is very simple. I'm gonna run you through the process. Connect the compressor to the output of your choice. In this case, it's gonna be 120 volts AC. This compressor comes with an auto shutoff system. Then all you need to do is set up the pressure desired. Connect the airline whip. Flip the selector switch into AC. Close the bleed valve. Connect the whip into the air rifle or the air bottle. This compressor comes with a digital temperature gauge. Do never run this compressor over 65 degrees. And begin to fill pressing the start button. From factory, the noise report from this compressor is 78 decibels. That's what we got on the owner's manual, but we tested out and it's 76 decibels inside my basement. When your compressor finishes filling up your rifle or your air bottle, all you need to do is flip the red switch into off position and bleed the air. Also, company recommend to leave the compressor fan on for a few minutes. This is the representation how to use this compressor on a car and any vehicle. Make sure your car is 12 volts and not 24 volts. 24 volts will damage the compressor. Go black with black, red with red, or negative with negative and positive with positive. When you finish fill up your air rifle or your air bottle, all you need to do is switch that flip to off position. That way you prevent any sparks when you're removing the cables from the battery. And don't forget to bleed that valve. This compressor makes my life way easier and I don't need to worry about any bottles. I just grab it, put it on my truck and take it to the field.